How to log in your Twitch account or connect your Twitch account with Marvel Rivals. So first of all, visit the Marvel Rivals official website. This is where you need to simply click on login on the top right and make sure to log in with the account that you have used during the downloading of your Marvel Rivals game. So once you have logged in, you need to simply click on the connect and this should automatically connect your account. If this shows you this error which is please log into the game before linking your account, that is because you are using a different account. So make sure to click on this exit to log in and make sure to log in with that specific account. Whether you are using Steam, Epic Games, simply log in from that account in Marvel Rivals, and then you need to simply go back to the web browser and you need to simply click on the connect option and it should then connect your Twitch account to your Marvel Rivals account. So hope this helped. This is the way of how you can connect Marvel Rivals with Twitch.